Aquino. I'm from Fairview ever since I'm 26. I'm engaged. Always been a chubby girl ever since. Yung mga kalaro ko, palaging tinutokso na taba ching-ching. Tsaka sa family kasi ng mga Aquino, sobrang malulusog talaga. So, hindi siya nawawala sa jeans ko. I do commercials on the side. Ako yung character model eh. Ako yung model na nakakast as best friend or sub-lead. Kasi, di ba, ang fat girl naman is always characterized as that. Never naman the lead. So, yun. Actually, first lead role ko na hindi group yung Less So Fat ad that came out before. Kasi I'm the commercial model for Less So Fat before, yung tinatago ang taba. Yung Less So Fat decided to renew my old TVC. They looked for me online and then they said na they're going to re-air my commercial. Kasi ikakasal na ako. So, baka parang, syempre, every girl has this dream na pag yung kasal mo, sobrang grand. Saka dapat yung itsura mo dun, sobrang sexy. Pag grande yung wedding mo, parang ang pangit kung mataba ka, diba? So, since ako na may endorser nila, sabi ko, baka pwedeng papayating nyo ako in time for my wedding.